I was rear-ended at a red light, and I got out, and it was a young guy who hit me, and he just stood outside his door. And he said, "There's nothing wrong." I said, "Yes, it is. There's a hole in my bumper." He said, "Well, just meet me over at the gas station." And I went. I knew he was going to leave, so I memorized his tag, and I went to the gas station, and I called the police. My question, will my insurance go after him, or will I have to pay for it because the police ran his tag, and it was what I said, it was a white Chevy vehicle? Or will that be something that the police is my word against theirs, or once my insurance contact that person? How would that work?
Thank you for your call, Aretha. Your advice.
That's a good question.
Yes.
It's a complicated situation. And Aretha, it sounds like you did the right thing. You got the guy's car tag. You documented that so you could be able to track him down because you were suspicious that he wasn't going to do what he said he was going to do. You need to give that information to your insurance company. If your car is, damaged to the point where it needs to be fixed to where you can't drive it, it doesn't sound like that, they will typically go ahead and repair it in a situation like that, and then they'll seek to get contribution back from that guy's insurance company if he has insurance. A lot of people drive around Mississippi without insurance, but definitely contact your insurance company and let them handle it and track the guy down, and they can go after him on your behalf. And
one of the things she did do that, taking that photo, just talk a little bit more about what type of evidence you should be collecting at the scene of an accident. Good job too, Aretha.
Yeah, very good. It's good to take pictures of where the vehicles ended up, take pictures of the damage. The car case that I have that I was referencing earlier, the pictures my client took, I think are going to be very beneficial in determining that the wreck occurred in the way he said it occurred as opposed to the way the driver of the other vehicle said it occurred. So it shows how the vehicles came to rest. That's important. We all typically have an iPhone or some kind of smartphone today, so you can get really good pictures right after the accident happens and just document how it is, where your vehicles ended up, and the damage that was caused.
And the testimonies of those witnesses. I mean, a lot of times people pull over to the side to see if you're okay. You want to talk about how's that been helpful?
If you see somebody that, that witnessed it, get their name, get their information. That way your lawyer or you can talk to them later if you need them to help you establish who was at fault.